Hey everyone, Bradley tuning in, coming at you with another video. Not every realtor in Toronto has gray hair. It's true. Yesterday, I was talking to high school students, young adults looking to pursue a career in real estate that are going to change things. They're going to have a massive impact, and I want to share some of those clips with you today. Family will also play a big supportive role. But that said, just keep in mind when it comes to sales, you can't get offended if someone isn't backing you, because I have a lot of family members that have told me no, and you just got to be okay with that. That's fine. This is your story, not theirs, right? I do videos every single week. I'll show you guys my Instagram after. If you want, you can follow. But I track the market very closely. This is why I'm doing things like this video, because I'm constantly seeking content that I can share. And that's how I would say 80% of my business comes from social media. I like to tell people I make a lot of money from selling, which is real estate, which is I know why you guys are here, which is great. But any real estate agent that isn't taking advantage of the investing component of real estate is wasting their time, because I make way more money, and there's tax advantages for getting properties. You pay half the tax as you would on your income. You're losing it if you're not taking advantage. I make more money net from real estate investing, even this early on, than I do even in selling, and I do really well in selling. One of the things that I love most about what I do is it's completely relationship. Who here knows a real estate agent or knows of a real estate agent that is kind of, these numbers are actually lower than normal. I find about at least 75% of people I ask already know somebody before I talk to them. I think there's in the neighborhood of 70,000 real estate salespeople in just the GTA. The funny thing that I found is that this number here, in Ontario, the average salesperson is 51 years old. That's how old, we're old, man. Do you think 27 is old? 51 is old. Not really. Depends who you ask. But where I'm capitalizing, and what I would encourage you guys to do with the skill sets you have, I think what you guys have, and I would hopefully include myself in that, is an ability to, the only thing that's unchanging is the fact that there's change, right? We know there is constant movement. And in 10 years, you guys are going to be like, holy smokes, it's all brand new. Maybe it's not Snapchat and Instagram, it's something else. And so you got to be able to adapt. But at this point in the game, you guys are completely immersed in the social media world. So to be able to jump on that social media, you have a massive competitive advantage. That's it. That's all I had. Well, that was the highlights anyways. I hope that changes their lives, and I hope you got value out of some of the insight on how our industry is changing. I'll see you guys next week with more tips and tricks. Take care and keep it real.